Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Atta Halilintar channel analytics. Atta has uploaded 1,224 videos. He now has 26.7 million subscribers with a total view of 3,142,062,937 views. He's from Indonesia, and his channel type is entertainment. He created his channel since January 26, 2014. The grade he got is A-, and his Social Blade ranking is at 2,112th. The subscriber ranking is 117th, and then video view rank is 1,086th. He ranked at first in Indonesia and 34th in entertainment. Next, the daily subs for Atta is around 10k with a daily view of 2,572,394. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 2,600,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $10,400. Then, monthly income will be $312,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $171,600 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $2,059,200. That is how much Atta Halilintar earns from YouTube.